Hey everyone, welcome back to Physio Trendz. This is me, Physio Premsha, and today we are talking about something probably you have seen all over the social media, the Theragun. Is it really a game changer for pain relief or just a wellness trend? As a physiotherapist, I am here to break down the science behind it and most importantly, whether it is safe to use or not. So, what is Theragun? Theragun is a percussive therapy device designed to reduce muscle tightness, to reduce muscle soreness, as well as to improve blood circulation around the muscular area. You may have seen athletes, fitness trainers, fitness influencers, or even your friends using it to manage pain. Well, real question for me over here is whether it is really safe to use it on patients with osteoarthritis of knee or back pain or shoulder pain. Theragun is safe to use when it is used correctly, but you have to follow certain precautions. If you are not following it, it can cause harm as well. Precaution number one is limit usage of Theragun around the joints like elbow, shoulder, knee, spine to avoid aggravating the delicate structures. And of course, precaution number two, avoid using Theragun around the injury prone areas or injured areas like fractured joints, sprained ankle, or strained muscle. We should not use this Theraguns. That is why, my dear friends, if you are thinking of using this Theragun on your patients who are having knee pain, back pain, or neck pain, please be very careful because here we have so many vascular structures going on, so many nerves are passing. If you are not using it correctly, you can cause blood clot as well. There have been cases where people have got blood clots because of overusage of Theragun in the areas where blood vessels are more, and those areas can be around your neck, around your chest, around your inner thighs, on back of the knee, as well as around the ankle joint, as well as around the spine. And make sure that you're not using it over the bony prominence or somewhere where muscle mass is very less, because it can cause more damage to the structure rather than helping for relieving the pain. Because as I mentioned, this is purely a percussive therapy device which increases the blood circulation around the area and also stimulates your nerve ending for causing temporary pain relief. It is not going to cause you permanent pain relief at all. And also, according to research on chronic conditions like arthritis, fibromyalgia, it's a big no to use this device because again, it has more harmful effects rather than causing any beneficial effects. I hope entire this video makes sense and you have learned something new, that these Theraguns are purely and purely for athletic population, that too for reducing their muscle recovery time or reducing that pain in the muscles for the shortened duration of time. But otherwise, if you really want a cure of certain problem, then you definitely have to go through a proper assessment with a physiotherapist and proper training and treatment with a physiotherapist. If you want to share your own experience using these Theragun devices on your patients or on yourself, do let me know in the comment section. And if you want to watch more videos like this about physiotherapy and different modalities, don't forget to subscribe.